So now we're going to talk about TDS, or total dissolved solids. We're always shooting for under 20, but to get as close to 0 as possible. And again, this goes through your reverse osmosis, or RO, spot-free unit, to ensure a spot-free car every single time. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a collection of your RO water. If you have a spigot running off your RO unit, you can use that. Or as you'll see Jason collect it in the bay itself on the override, it's a spot-free rinse.
So yeah, I was here to assist the video, and all we had to do is get some RO off the arch, but
0 parts per million.
as you can see,
Perfect.
Easier said than done at 200 PSI out of an in-bay machine. So all right, we're back to the video.
So we'll take our collection beaker of the supposed RO spot-free water, and again, we're looking to get as close to 20 parts per million ppm as possible. I'm using my TDS meter, again, found at our parts center or on Amazon or anywhere else on the web. I'll turn this guy on. It's reading 0, and then I'm gonna simply dip it right in there so that the probe touches the water, and you'll see we're at 7 parts per million, which is fantastic water. Fantastic water. And that is it. You can see this site takes a lot of quality in their washing. They've got 0 grains of hardness, 7 parts per million on their RR unit. I'm sure they're putting out fantastic cars. So while hardness and TDS are different, they're both very important to measure at your wash to ensure a clean car that's spot-free and happy customers every single time. For more tips and tricks, visit us at synergygetsturt.com. Until next time.